Once you've started building on your production floor with your launch worker guidance, you can start collecting quality information directly from the operators. From the left-hand navigation menu, we can see a specific list of notes allowing you to customize and document your quality issues as they arrive. For example, if I'm an operator, I can list a specific quality concern that when I'm installing a seat post install, that the seat post install bent the seat tube, and I can leave that note directly on that build. From an operator's perspective, I can always come in and add pictures and leave notes, but I can see that I have a open quality note on this build. The way that we can manage that from the manager side, or a supervisor or an engineer side, is when I navigate to my build data table, I can see all of my issues as they occur over the history of my build table. When I navigate to this table, without having to worry about the build, I can come in here and start reviewing my issues. So when I start reviewing my information here, I can see that my builds are in process, or these notes that have been left on the build, or these specific quality defects have been documented by the engineers accordingly. I can see that it's in process, and I'm actively reviewing that change. Similarly, as soon as I've reviewed that and have dispositioned it back to the floor, I can always change my status back to resolved and document my notes appropriately. This is, in essence, a ticketing system to be able to communicate exactly what's happening on the production floor and also send these tickets to external systems in an enterprise setting with a connected tech stack.